Hello you guys, welcome back to another very fun video. I know y'all love my fashion content on here, so that is what I'm here to provide today. Okay, I have been so excited to make this video. A few weeks back I went to LA for the first time, which was very exciting, and while I was there, y'all know I had to hit up one of my favorite stores ever, Miss Dollskill, and while I was there, I got $1,000 worth of clothes. So I completely redid my whole summer wardrobe pretty much when I went. Surprisingly, most of that fit in my carry-on bag on the way home. I kind of had a feeling I was going to spend money when I was there, so I left a little bit of extra space. There were a few items that they had to ship to me, like a bag and some shoes that didn't end up fitting, but yeah, most of it came home with me, so that was surprising. I was going to vlog LA and do like a whole experience about me going. I did have a last minute family emergency that was kind of traumatic and just hard for me mentally. I mean, the trip was good for me during that time, but it just wasn't good for me to vlog. I felt like I really just needed to be like in the moment for my mental sake. It was an awesome experience. I can't wait to go back and do more work there. I do have little short vlogs on my TikTok and Instagram Reels. If you guys do want to go see my adventures out there, go check those out. You know where all my links are. We're just gonna hop right into the clothes, you guys. I'm so excited. This is gonna take me so long to do. I've kind of been putting it off, but today's the day. The first item we have here is this little top. It's so cute. This is from House of Widow. Giant tag, that's why I have them flipped to the back. Just a cute little basic tee. I feel like I can just pair this with a lot of the bottoms I have, so just a simple little moment. I'm gonna try these on for you guys as well, so let's go pop it on. Alright you guys, here is the first little top here. It is super cute. This little, like, it's almost like a off-white, I want to say, lacy moment, little corset ribbon detail. Okay, the next little top I got, is this little tank top here. It says fake. I just think it's so funny. That is, it's just funny. It's just funny. Okay, love her. Basic little tee. This one is from Generations Kiss. Love her. So shiny, and honestly the rhinestone quality, she's slaying. Okay, here is our second little t-shirt. I don't know if it's backwards or not. It is in the camera right now. So sparkly. This would be so cute with like some low-rise like boyfriend jeans, the little like baggy jean shorts. It would be a look. My brain is cooking, y'all. Let her cook. This next one is a little wild for me, but lately I've been in like my y'all-alternative era, so I love me a little cowgirl moment. I really do. I have like 2 pairs of cowgirl boots now, and I feel like I don't know, I need more cowgirl stuff. So a few of the items here you will see kind of have a theme to that. This one is from Sugar Thrills. So cute. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at this little romper. It's so Barbie. I can't wait to try this one on and see how it fits, because usually bodysuits run really big on me, but oh my god, I just had to. I had to. Like, I walked past it a good like 2 times, and then I was finally like, I have to do it. Wait, let me button up the buttons here so you can see the full effect. Here she is. Ooh. So adorable. She's so cute. Alright, here is this little jumper here. It actually fits me perfectly. I was really scared it was going to be like a little too tight this way because I do have a really long torso, but it's doing everything I need it to do. So I really can't even think of any place I can wear this out to. If you guys have any recommendations, let me know, because I need an excuse. This is too good. This one is too good, and it has little pockets, and it has a zipper in the back so that you don't have to worry about dealing with all these buttons. You can just zip it right down. I'm probably gonna say I love them about every single one. The only thing is I don't have cowgirl boots to match that. I only have black cowgirl boots, and I was gonna get these pink ones that were at the store too, but like I don't know. I got black ones instead, but I don't know. I'll have pink cowgirl boots soon, okay? I see them in my near future. Okay, so this one is a cute little white skirt. Ugh, I just love how like flared it is. Like the bottom, I don't know. It's like not pleated, it's just, well, it is pleated, but it's pleated in a very unique way. I think this belt that's supposed to be in the front. The belt's flipped around, but this is the front of the skirt. Honestly, I have a few white skirts, but none of them, like, I really like. They just, like, fit me a little weird. I don't know, I felt it was just calling my attention, like, perfect white skirt. Alright, here is this little skirt here. So adorable, so frilly. I just love how it moves. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to wear this out, like. Okay, another little cowgirly themed item here. Oh, and that skirt was from Current Mood, by the way. So this next little dress, I feel like, it's just such a cute little like club cowgirl moment. Imagine this with my black cowgirl boots that I'm gonna show you later, okay? Little buckles here, little buckles, and then it has the little detail at the bottom there, little slit. Oh! It's so cute, and I bet this is gonna fit so cute too. It's like a little tight-fitted, little cutest thing ever. All right, here's our other little cowgirl number here. We got our little buckle details. The only thing, these were super cold when I put this on. Gave me a little surprise. And the little details down here. Okay, I think this may or may not be the last cowgirl type thingy I have, but this shirt is so cute. Just read her. Look at her little face. Again, I need my pink cowgirl boots to go with this. I have no words for this one other than it is just so adorable. It is so me right now in this moment, this summer. This is her. This is the shirt. I will be getting some use out of this one quite a bit, I can already tell. Okay, now this is a little Sugar Thrills top. So it's like a little ruffled moment, and then this part goes around your neck, so it's like a little choker as well built in. Oh, I couldn't pass this up. It's very Coquette. I love an alternative Coquette moment. My style is just pretty much everywhere. If you guys haven't noticed, I feel like this is me like 80% of the time, but I have my moments where I like to be like pink and frilly and cute, and this is a moment. I don't know if I would wear this together in real life, but just for the video, this top, it is so cute. And I love stuff around my neck, so it just has like a built-in one, and it all goes together. I love it so much. Oh, so cute. This one is like very, very not me, but I thought it was so cute. I live near the beach, so I have a lot of days where I just want to like throw a casual little dress on over my bikini and go enjoy the beaches, and this is gonna be that for me this summer, because just wait. And this one is from Delia's. I don't have a lot of Delia's items just because they're very colorful, and I feel like that's not really been my vibe. This one, oh, look at how cute. It's a little knitted like maxi dress, and it is like a little see-through and sheer, so as I said, good for like a little bikini underneath moment. How adorable. It's like very, I don't know, it's just giving early 2000s flower, Lizzie McGuire. If you know, you know. If you know, you know, okay? Well, this dress just ended up being so much better than I ever thought it could be. This is so cute. And the colors are not me, the patterns are not me, but oh my god, I can't get over this. It is so cute. Definitely one of my fave dresses at the moment that I own. This is really high up on my list, and I really didn't think it would be. Oh my goodness, how cute. Okay, I have another little basic baby doll crop tee. I don't think it's baby doll, I think it's just a crop tee. This one is from Widow. How adorable. How adorable. It's like this part ties around your neck, and you can't really see it. I'm gonna have to put it on for you guys to understand the vibes, but so cute, so cute. Okay, now you can see what I meant by you don't really know what this top is doing until you put it on. It's super, super cute once you figure it out. Again, this is like another one of those things where I just love wearing like collars and chokers and stuff like that. Yeah. This dress from Current Mood is screaming early 2000s prom night, everything I want in a little cute black dress. Look at her. Okay, it keeps going. It keeps going. There's like a train. It's short in the front and long in the back. This is about to be so cute on, and I have some friends that are getting married in the next like year or so. I've been trying to figure out what the colors are for guests because, hello, this would be such a cute little like wedding moment. I don't know. This also reminds me of like just the type of style of dress that I would have loved and picked as like an 8-year-old if it was pink and frilly, but like just the style that it is, to die for. Oh my god, I'm gonna try this on for you guys. Do you guys see what I mean now by like actual dress of my dreams? Well, I mean, you can't see all of the dress. Oh my goodness, you guys. I must have had a dress that was the same kind of style as this when I was a kid because it's so nostalgic to me for some reason. Here's a close-up of the details. And then this goes all the way down. Like it's short in the front, long in the back. And like a little fairy princess. Okay, these pants, we found the first pair of pants in the bag. These are from Widow. Y'all aren't ready for these. I never thought I would like a style of pant like this. After trying them on when I was there, this is it for me. New favorite pants. Okay, this is the front. It's like a little kind of like built-in mini skirt vibe on like a frilly yoga pant. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's so cute. Like the little bows, the little flowers. So cute. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to get my long legs on this camera, but I'm about to figure it out for you guys. All right, I had to move the camera down for these pants. They are the moment. They have ruffles. They have ruffles on the feet. Oh my goodness. I love these pants. And they're actually so comfy. Like they are the comfiest pants ever. This is a Widow dress. This dress reminds me actually a little bit of the top that I'm wearing today. The whole outfit that I'm wearing today, it's like almost the same pattern and color, which is kind of funny. Look at her. It's a little strapless mini dress moment. A little big on me. I did get a size small instead of extra small, but it's okay. We're gonna make it work. And this one actually comes with a little choker. Well, you can't really, I'm gonna put it on, but you know what I mean. I honestly just can't have enough dresses. I can't. I think that's pretty obvious at this point. I'm gonna need more hangers. Oh my goodness, this one is just adorable. It's almost giving like emo prom, goth prom, which is kind of upsetting because I went to an emo prom a few months ago and I wish I would have had this because it would have been perfect. And yeah, matching little choker. And it does have the little like sticky grip right here, so it stays up nice and good. Lo and behold, another dress. Oh my goodness, this one is funny because I actually have the long sleeve, long ball gown version of this dress. So you know, of course I needed the mini version. It is so adorable and sweet. I don't know why the tag is all tangled up. This is the last dress, by the way. And then we're moving on to a little jacket and the boots in the back. Look at her. Look at her! Oh my goodness, this is actually probably not the right size for me. Got a size down, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna make it fit. Okay, we're about to make this fit. All right, saving my favorite dress for last. Oh my goodness, as I said, I have the long version of this, and this one is perfect because I can actually like wear it out and it's not dragging everywhere on the floor. This is everything I needed, everything. Look at all these details. Oh my goodness. What do you guys think? I don't know. I think it's my favorite so far. Alright, so obviously this is more of like a Florida summer wardrobe, so I don't have a lot of jackets and sweaters in this little haul, but I do have this cute little sweater. I've been wanting like a dramatic little piece like this for so long. This is from Widow. The last dress was from Widow as well. I keep forgetting to say that. I don't remember if I'm saying it before, but I'm gonna find out when I'm editing this, I guess. Look at this. Oh my gosh, little fur collar and cuffs. What? Alright, let's put this on top of something I just pulled out of there. Alright, we have made it to our final item of clothing. This little, so I don't even know what to call this, a cardigan, a fuzzy cardigan. We got the little buttons here. You actually have to like unlock them to open it up completely, so I just put it over my head. It was stretchy enough. Little fuzzy collar moment. I feel so dark and mysterious in this. I just put that same little black dress that I had on earlier under this, and I actually have on the cowboy boots. Alright, we have our little cowgirl boots here. We got our little butterflies on the sides here. Oh, and they're actually so comfortable. I wore these out to Taco Tuesday. This is actually the only thing I've worn out of the stuff I've gotten, and I love them. That is it as far as trying on stuff, you guys. I'm always a sucker for little like backpack bags. I think they're very, very handy and cute. This one has a whole lot of room on the inside for all my things. Isn't that everything? So yeah, I just thought that was the coolest thing ever. Had to get them as a little pair. Alright, you guys, that concludes this Dollskill haul. This was honestly the best one I've ever done in my opinion. So cool to actually like have clothes that I went to the store and picked out and not just like ordered online, which I feel like just added more of like a sentimental value, you know? That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please feel free to let me know which item of clothing was your favorite. You guys know where to find me. Check out all my links down below, and I will see you in the next one.